Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Cruise Control Acura MDX. Start by finding the Cruise button on the steering wheel and press it to enable the system. Once active, accelerate to your desired speed and press SET to lock it in. Use RES to resume after braking and use cancel or the brake pedal to disengage. Always monitor traffic and road conditions while using cruise control for safe driving. Modern Acura MDX models may include adaptive cruise control that automatically keeps a safe gap to the car in front. To use it, enable cruise and select a following distance with the distance buttons, then set your cruising speed as usual. The system will slow or accelerate within limits to maintain spacing, but you must remain attentive and ready to steer or brake when traffic patterns change or the system reaches its limits. Cruise control can reduce fatigue and improve fuel efficiency when used correctly on open highways and steady traffic flows. Avoid using it in poor weather, on steep grades, or in stop-and-go traffic where sudden braking is likely. Keep your hands close to the wheel and stay alert so you can quickly override the system with the brake, cancel button, or steering input when road conditions change or other drivers behave unpredictably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.